Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I just have a couple quick announcements. The first is that with the start of this new year, I've decided to rename my YouTube channel. So instead of Infogamer, it's now going to be bitOps Dev. While Infogamer has been a good name, I've really wanted to rebrand the channel into something that's more unique and personal to me, as well as something that's more along the lines of a game studio. Now there is a whole backstory for why bitOps Dev, but I'll have to save that for another time. But starting today, my channel and all my related content is going to be rebranded to bitOps Dev. Now my second announcement is that I'm currently working on a very specific project which I'll be developing for the perceivable future. And this project is a new game, a game that I've wanted to develop for several years now. And it's not going to be a small mobile game or an app, which is what I've primarily focused on in the past. I hope this to be a full-fledged game that I release onto Steam and other platforms. Now I am just a solo developer and this project is still in its very early stages, but it's something that I'm planning on doing videos for and giving regular updates on. And so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can see all the progress I make. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.